delayed 15:57 LNE Arizona service from Edinburgh to London King's Cross. Delayed due to a person being hit by a train in the Claypole area. On 202 is the delayed. The 1610 All Trains Paragon service from Hull to London King's Cross. 803 305. Here goes the 1605 All Trains Paragon service to London King's Cross. See you in LNE Arizona from Edinburgh to London, I think. Were they Edinburgh? I don't know. I forgot. Eight 01112 and 801109. Oh, we've missed a fast train. Oh well, there we go. We kind of still got it for London King's Cross. Yeah, but that one's going on the other side. Yep. Next out, the 1610 LNE Arizona from London King's Cross to Edinburgh Waverley. 801226. Wow. 801226 Pride.